Is your business affected by shortages in sanitizers and cleaners due to the pandemic? Don't let impulse buyers and panicky consumers dictate access to these essential products. Instead of waiting for your local store to restock their goods, make your own sanitizers and cleaners with the Larson Electronics Disinfectant Maker. Our disinfectant generator uses electrolysis to make on-demand cleaning products that are pH neutral and safe for the environment. The unit can produce hypochlorous acid or sodium hydroxide depending on the selected solution. Designed for manufacturers, janitorial and cleaning service companies, warehouses, schools, and gyms, we offer this electrochemical unit with the following capacities: 30-gallon, 90-gallon, or 150-gallon. The liquid solution generated by our disinfectant maker can be disseminated using a wide range of devices such as foggers, misters, sprayers, and more. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.